Yes, you can freeze lemon curd to prolong its shelf life. Lemon curd has a tangy and sweet flavor. Because it is a useful filling, it tastes delicious on almost everything. That is why it is a common creamy spread used in various baked goods like plain waffles, muffins, cupcakes, and cakes. What happens to lemon curd when you freeze it? Homemade lemon curd has a shorter shelf life than store-bought lemon curd. It can last up to a year as long as stored properly in an airtight container. Freezing lemon curd will not affect its texture and flavor. Likewise, it is best to store homemade lemon curd in smaller portions than in bigger ones, because the larger the portions are, the longer it will take to thaw it. How to make lemon curd at home. Ingredients: 4 large egg yolks, 5/8 cups granulated sugar, 1/4 cup lemon zest, 1/2 cup lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 stick of unsalted butter, cubes. Equipment: mixing bowls, measuring cups, measuring spoons, whisk, strainer, plastic wrap. Servings and preparation time. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Bake time, 20 minutes. Servings, 1 cup and a half. What you will need to make lemon curd. Step 1. Grab a bowl and place it over a pot of simmering water on medium heat. Next, make sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water surface. As it begins to boil, reduce heat to low to keep the water simmering. Step 2. Place the egg yolks and sugar, then whisk together until it incorporates. Continuously whisk the egg and sugar to prevent it from curdling. Step 3. Add the lemon zest, lemon juice, and salt. Then whisk continuously for 5 minutes. Step 4. Add the butter and whisk it to the curd till it melts. Continue whisking until the curd is thick enough to hold whisk marks and bubbles appear on the surface. Step 5. Remove the curd from the heat, grab your strainer, and strain it onto a jar or container of choice. Set aside to cool. Step 6. Cover your curd with plastic wrap, that it's touching the curd's top closely, to prevent the formation of skinning on top of the curd. Chill and store for at least 2 weeks. Tips on how to make the lemon curd thicker. It is highly recommended to use fresh lemon juice. Avoid using store-bought lemon juice. 1. Substitute the 2 egg yolks with a whole egg without altering the steps and ingredients. 2. Reckon using salted butter. Eliminate the salt from the recipe. 3. Maintain the heat low, and don't forget to keep on whisking. 4. Strain the curd before chilling for a silky smooth finish. How to freeze homemade lemon curd. The defrosted lemon curd will taste better if you freeze it when it is still freshly made. So, here are simple steps in freezing lemon curd properly. Step 1. After you have made it, let the lemon curd cool down. Step 2. Use an airtight container and put it in the freezer. Step 3. Afterward, tightly seal the lid of the container. Step 4. To ensure that no air will get inside the lemon curd container, use a cling wrap and cover it around the lid. Step 5. Finally, put a date on the airtight container. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.